Virtual classroom training. Looking to advance your career with internationally recognized certifications? Welcome to QRP International's virtual classroom training that allows you to join from anywhere. Why choose virtual classroom? We go beyond traditional online courses. Our virtual classroom is a blend of live expert instruction, interactive sessions, and self-paced learning to ensure maximum engagement and knowledge retention. How it works. Live expert instruction. Engage with trainers in real time, ask questions, and practice knowledge immediately. Video conferencing. Interact with your peers in class, in our breakout sessions, and during course lectures. Exam preparation. Test your knowledge with sample questions. Boost retention with MemoTrainer. Smart repetition and exercises for long-term learning. Engagement. Group discussions, polls, and examples of real-life situations keep you engaged. Course material. A high-quality version of the course materials in a digital format will be provided. Online exams included. Take your exam online anytime with a remote online exam invigilation service. You can access training sessions from iPhone, iPad, or Android devices. Get certified with QRP International's virtual classroom training, flexible, engaging, and designed for success.